Now, if the FDA approves the Moderna vaccine, it would be the second vaccine in the arsenal against the coronavirus.
Elise Haas sat down with a vaccine expert from Oregon State University as he weighed in on the risks and rewards of getting the shot. Elise, what did he have to say?
Ken and Jenny, so this OSU professor of pharmacy has dedicated his work to studying mRNA, which is what this new vaccine is. And something that he said to me is that he's starting to hear people say things like, oh, I don't want to be the guinea pig and I'm not going to be the first one to get it, so I'll wait. But he says that title is for the 70,000 brave men and women who actually volunteered themselves to be a part of these vaccine trials and have now proved to the world that these vaccines are 95% effective in protecting people from contracting and spreading the coronavirus. I mean, you can look at this chart and see for yourself in the Pfizer vaccine trial, that blue line that shows people who got the placebo and how many of them later got sick with COVID-19. That flat red line shows the vaccine protected 95% of that tested group, which is amazing. And then check out this newly released data showing the same promising efficacy results for the Moderna vaccine. Blue line is that group that only got saline. Cases of COVID go up. The vaccinated group, flat red line once again with 94% efficacy.
I think the reward is just, outstanding at this point, just because as you look at that 94% efficaciousness, when we started, the FDA had said that it should be like 50%. If it's a 50% effective vaccine, hey, we'll start giving. But this is like 94%, right? So the benefits are clear.
With this data in hand, I sat down with him and we discussed the real life scenarios for the risks and rewards for getting the vaccine. And in the risk column, the FDA reports that the trials found that some recipients experienced mild symptoms like muscle soreness, fatigue, and headache. In the rewards column, OSU professor points to and underscores the protection from COVID-19, stopping the spread. That would mean we could return to normal life, businesses could reopen, and the economy could recover. However, scientists say that would require around 75% or so of the population to get vaccinated for community immunity, also known as herd immunity, where the virus can no longer be infecting the masses. So there are roughly 330 million people in the United States, which means that roughly 250 million Americans would need to get 2 doses of the vaccine. Remember, this isn't one and done. So until we reach that benchmark, Ken and Jenny, we will continue to have these mask mandates and closures. So of course, this is all very promising, but we'll have to remain patient.
Yeah, a little bit of muscle soreness seems